Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, you are more than welcome to subscribe. I do mainly makeup videos, but I do try to include some random fun little videos here and there. Today's video is going to be a fall eyeshadow look using the So Jaded palette by Kathleen Lights and ColourPop. This is their first big palette, so when I saw that they released this, I just had to get it. So if you guys want to know how I created this look, and keep on watching. Already did my eyebrows and I set my eyes, my eyelids. So for today's fall themed eyeshadow look, I finally got the So Jaded Kathleen Lights by ColourPop So Jaded makeup palette. I am a huge fan of Kathleen Lights. I've been watching her for so many years, and when I saw that she came out with this ColourPop big palette, this is the first big palette ColourPop has done, I had to support Kathleen and I got it. I hope you guys can see that, but the colors are gorgeous. To me, this palette is very fall themed, so I thought this would make the perfect palette to do a fall eyeshadow look with. I don't know how to say this, but citrine. It's this like light mustard yellow color, and I heard these are very pigmented, so I'm just gonna pick up some on my brush. So I'm just putting that shade right into the crease of my eye. It's gonna serve as a transition color, and it's also going to help make that gradient effect that I love to do. Trying to really blend the outside edges because sometimes it's really hard to blend the outside edges of the first shade. So I'm just making sure that I really blend that out. And next I'm going to be taking the shade Carnelian, which is this orange, very fall pumpkin orange eyeshadow, and these are very pigmented. Like I barely put the brush into the pan and it picks up a lot of color. And this I'm also going to be just putting that in my crease slightly lower than my actual crease, but making sure that I blend it. So the first shade we kind of just put it in the crease but blended it outward, and this one it's more in the crease and below it and in the outer V. I'm gonna take a more like a pencil brush and I'm gonna pick up Carnelian and really focus that in the crease and bring it inward. And just blending that out. you just want to bring the color in the crease and towards the inner corner of your eye. Next, I'm going to take a small fluffy brush, and I'm going to use the shade Stoned, which is just a gray stone shade, which is this one, just a gray. And I'm going to apply that to the very outer corner. And that's just to smoke it out. I'm going to take a flat shader brush and I'm going to pick up the color Tiger Eye, which is right here, and it's just a green shimmer shade, and it does have like silver reflexes in it. It might be gold. And I'm just going to be placing that right on the lid. And I'm sort of going over the dark gray color as well. Just really like packing that. And I know it looks really messy at first, but we are not done yet. Trust the process. It kind of looks like I have two black eyes, but glam, you know, sort of giving off that glam black eye look. And now I'm going to also be putting on the color Peridot, which is just this like lime green shade. I'm picking it up with my finger and I'm just gonna tap it in. And I'm focusing it mainly in the center of my eye. I'm going to take a mixture of Royal Jewels, which is this one, and You're a Gem. And I'm picking up some of those just so I can blend the outer edges. I'm taking a little bit of the shade Stoned again, and I'm just putting that in the very outer corners of my eye. Because the color kind of got lost. And I do want it to be more of a smoky eye. So I'm just mainly focusing that on the outer corners of my eye and blending the edges so that it's not too harsh. I'm just putting on mascara. I'm going to take the shade Jade. It's a pretty jade color. I love the name Jade. I love jade. I don't know if I would name my daughter that, but I love jade. The name Jade. I'm just putting that on the outer corners. Now I'm just blending the green with a clean blending brush. Blending just the edges. Yeah, I feel like that did the trick. That's what it needed. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face makeup, and I'll be back when I have to do my lipstick. I bought some ColourPop lippies and I want to show them to you guys. So yeah, I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I just finished the rest of my makeup, and I added some of the orange eyeshadow that I put on my lid. I added some on the bottom lash line, and I added mascara. So now we are going to decide what I should do for my lips. So I have 3 liquid lipsticks from ColourPop that I bought. One is a red, so I'm not going to be using that one, but this one is the shade Fuego. It's just a pretty matte. It reminds me of Ginger by Kylie Cosmetics, and this one is in the shade Secreto, and it's more of an orangey shade. So I think for today I'm gonna use the shade Fuego, and I'm going to line my lips Rockin' Rose by Jordana Cosmetics, and it's just a brown color. I don't overline my lips too much. I don't really overline my lips, especially not my bottom lip. And this is matte. They've really improved their quality since I last bought from them. This one isn't crumbly. So this is the final look. I think this color of lip goes perfectly with the eyeshadow, and I love the green. I love how it turned out. So this is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Sorry if this video seems kind of random and jumpy at some parts, but there's a lot going on at my house apparently right now. Bye guys.